Visual Controls can provide quick product recommendations for your nLight designs using the Smart Room command based on energy code, application, and desired product family. You can also save custom smart rooms for use in future projects. Begin the Smart Room process by selecting the command on the Design tab of the ribbon. Verify that Visual Controls is set to Online mode, because the Smart tool will need to communicate with Acuity product databases in the cloud. Enter a name for the room, and then select the required energy code from the drop-down menu. Choose the desired product family of nLight, nLight Air, or sensor switch products. Next, choose which type of dimming option is required for the environment if needed, and the construction method for the room. You can create a standard 2-point rectangle or a customized polygonal shape. Next, choose from the list of application types that best matches the room you are constructing. When you select an application type, the product preview window on the right will display a list of recommended devices and suggested quantities. For devices with an asterisk in the quantity column, the number of devices will be determined based on the dimensions of the room. Now you will need to create the room using the construction method you selected. After creating the room, you will begin the process of placing devices. The bar at the top of the design window will list which device is being placed and how many devices remain in the process. Begin placing devices and continue until all devices from the recommended list have been inserted. Notice that the required connection for nLight devices is already active for the products. After placing the final product, the command will be completed. In this instance, the design only needs a single power pack. Simply select the device and press Delete on your keyboard to remove the device. The connection will still be maintained between the remaining devices. From the View tab, activate the beams and rings to see sensor coverage patterns. Drag any devices that may need to be adjusted. With the room complete, quickly create a riser diagram by clicking the Auto Generation button on the Project Manager. Select the updated riser page below to view the generated riser diagram. Select the schedule from the Project Manager. The project schedule will list all devices currently used in the design. You can add images to the schedule by using the drop-down menu under the Column section. Select the drop-down menu below Export to either save an Excel version of the standard schedule or one that includes product images. This concludes this instructional video. Please send any questions or comments to the Visual Support Center at support@visual-3d.com.